Welcome to chapter 1, that is introduction to ISO 14001-2015 Environmental Management System. We are regularly or day to day we are hearing about ISO. ISO stands for International Organization for the Standard. This is a world organization which develops a standard for various aspects like quality aspect, environmental aspect, occupational health and safety, energy, and so many different standards they are developing. And they are like one guidelines for all type of industries for implementing the standard in their organizations. With this brief outline about ISO, we will start with what is ISO 14001-2015. Welcome to chapter 2. In this chapter, we will discuss about context of organizations, that is section 4 of standard, then leaderships and plan. So, context of organizations is section number 4 of 14001-2015. Fifth section is about the leadership and sixth section is about plan. So let us now talk one by one each and every section. I will not go much in a further section of that in the section. That is like 4 is context of organizations. Then in 4.1, 4.1.1, 4.1.2 or 4.1.1.1. That way we will not discuss. We will go mainly that what exactly it is dealing with. Now, context of organizations. Welcome to chapter 3. In this chapter, we will talk about the section number 7, that is resources, and section number 8, that is operations. Now, when we talk about the resources, let us understand what it is. So, resources are the elements which is required to perform any operations. So, resources may be of different types. So, when we talk about the environmental management system, that is a standard for the environment management system. Here, resources are one is that it is about the in general what is required for the implementations of the environmental management system. Welcome to chapter 4. In this chapter, we'll talk about the section 9, that is a performance evaluations, and section 10, which is the last section of this standard, environmental management system standard, that is improvement. Now, performance evaluations, that is a very important section of standard. It gives idea about that whatever we have implemented or we have taken action, how much extent it is really successful. So when we are at a planning stage, we are also developing a strategy monitoring the various activity which are involved in enhancing environmental performance of our organizations.